Hi everyone, so today I will try this product from Biore. It's a charcoal pore strips, and according to them it unclogs pores and draws out excess oil for the deepest clean. So it has an 18 nose strips and we will try it on my nose. So as you can see, let's zoom my nose. Yeah, I have a big nose, guys. See, I will just zoom that my nose. Okay, remove strip from pouch, twist strip to loosen and separate slits prior to use. So this is the pouch. Yeah, this is the pouch, and then open here. Okay, and then just twist top. So there is, I think this is the top and bottom. Okay, the twist side is the top. Okay, this one. So just twist, and after washing your face, thoroughly wet your nose. The strip won't stick on a dry nose. So I'm done washing my face, and I will just wash wet it with a cotton balls and water. So I will just dry my hands. So this is the upper side, because you will see it's going down. So we will just put it now. Okay, then put it like this. Okay. Down. Okay, I think it's all good now. We'll go back after 15 minutes. Okay, let's wait. While waiting, guys, okay, it's almost 15 minutes and we will pull this off now. So let's go. It's very dry now, and according to them it's slowly carefully peel off, starting at the edge, so going up. So as you can see, this, or we have that. I'm sorry, my white heads and black heads. I think these are white heads. Okay, well, we'll just use this once a week, and I can say see you on my next video.